Not too long ago, Lenovo confirmed that it would launch gaming smartphones as a part of its Legion brand. While it is still unclear when the smartphone will be launched, marketing videos of the Legion gaming smartphone have surfaced. So, in this video, we are gonna see about the specifications of the Legion smartphone. Before going into the video, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So now, let's get into the video. The smartphone appears to feature a massive notchless display with a 20 megapixel selfie camera that pops up from right side of the frame. This is completely different from smartphones with a pop-up selfie camera at the top. Lenovo has certainly put some thought into design, as it will be useful for gamers, offering them more space to play with a camera that won't be blocked while playing games. Additionally, Lenovo's Legion gaming smartphone features a HD resolution display with 144Hz refresh rate. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC processor along with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.2 internal storage. The smartphone runs on a beefy 5000 mAh battery that comes with a 90 watts fast charging support and two USB Type-C ports, one at the bottom and one at the left side. These specs certainly seem capable of providing a crisp and optimal experience for gamers. At the back, the Legion logo is right at the center with the rear camera setup right next to it. The 64 megapixel primary camera and the 16 megapixel wide angle lens are more closer to the center than they are to the top side of the frame. Even though these specs do look a bit hyped, we'll have to wait and see what the final product will look like. That's all guys for this video. If you really find this video interesting, please make sure you drop a like in this video and subscribe to our channel for more latest tech news. Thank you.